Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 Social Club error code 0. Super easy fix to that, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and then you need to write your date and time settings, and then toggle this button off, set time automatically, and then select this one, set the date and time manually, right? And then you will see this little window here, and then you need to basically change the exact date that I will show you in this video. So year 2017, basically the day is 18, month is October, time is 9:30, and then AM. And then press change, restart your computer, and your error should be gone. And after error is gone, then you can basically go ahead and go back and set date automatically, right? And that should fix your problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.